turn the egg a little bit because he was pipping upside down. So the beak is up now. I don't know if that's the right thing to do or not, but we'll see.